Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to activate a video stabilizer on Samsung Galaxy A25. Okay, first of all, you can open your camera application on your Samsung Galaxy A25. This is my camera application, and we're gonna open the settings option. You can click on the settings icon right here, and if you want to activate the video stabilizer, you can scroll down until you find the video stabilization right here. You just need to click on the toggle button to activate it. Okay, and now the video stabilization has been activated, and that's how we can activate a video stabilizer on Samsung Galaxy A25. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.